we live? Yep. So yeah, I did stop after that and I came back again. So we will start again from where we left off. Yeah, so we were at final URL. This is for your teacher. So URI dot parse. Then we have to write the base URL. Then teacher. Then add. And it will be, I need to create a header. And then the body. So in the body, yeah, it will create on its own. Now I will be calling the final response as हमको चाहिए ही final response, हम तो कर ही रहे response पे काम, तो header डालेंगे और इस पे header को पास करेंगे and then body में body को लिखेंगे and body पास करेंगे. Sorted. और return कर देंगे response को. Yeah, looks good. अब the last one, जिसमें we have to call out the all teachers basically, and it's going to be a no parameter method. इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, final URL लिखेंगे and उसमें URI dot parse करके URL dot parse base URL slash teacher, I guess teacher ही है. Let me see the URL. teacher all, हाँ teacher करके all, response को कॉल करेंगे, return response कर देंगे और set our API service is done. So basically ये क्या करेगा, this will handle the calls. यहाँ से अपन का call, तो this interface will call our backend. Okay, backend में, and a backend will go to our database and it will basically give us all the required files. Services are done. So now we have to create this stuff called screens. I don't know, maybe this is not the best way to do Flutter, but yeah, this is all I know for now. So I'll be continuing with this. यहाँ पे I'll do a thing called register screen, registration screen actually .dart, and इसमें I will call class registration screen. This will extend the stateful widget because यहाँ पे अपन, हाँ क्योंकि यहाँ पे अपन हैंडल करेंगे पूरा रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म को और इस पे इसको कॉल करना है स्टेट को. अब हम यहाँ पे स्टेट को मैनेज करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे वही देखने की बात है. हाउ वी हैंडल द मैनेजिंग पार्ट. हियर वी विल डू टेक्स्ट एडिटिंग कंट्रोलर में यूजर नेम कंट्रोलर विच इज गोइंग टू बी टेक्स्ट एडिटिंग कंट्रोलर डेफिनेटली. पासवर्ड के लिए पासवर्ड आ जाएगा, कंफर्म पासवर्ड रखना है क्या, रख देते हैं चलो. एंड देन टेक्स्ट एडिटिंग कंट्रोलर ईमेल कंट्रोलर को लिखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ईमेल, हाँ दिस 3 इज गोइंग टू बी देयर. एंड देन ऑल सेट. एक फंक्शन बनाना पड़ेगा void register, जो कि basically it will also be async function. Devil is live, teacher dingo. Nah, not teaching, bro. I'm just coding and having fun, just live streaming, because why not. इसमें we will be fetching out the stuff first though. Username को will fetch, so that will be username controller dot text, then string में password को will fetch out from here, and we don't need a confirm password because उसका usage कहीं और है. Email को we have fetched. Now we have to take final response, which will be sent by the API service dot user register में pass on कर दिया है करके, and we are set. Now user no, what is the response code for us? Let us go over here. User log 201. So we'll check if the response code, if response dot status code equals to 201, then we'll do scaffold messenger of context show snack bar and text sorted, registration successful, and all set. Else scaffold messenger of context shows snack bar में we'll do a snack bar, content में we'll just write that registration failure. Yeah, chill. And I have done a typo over here, and as this values will not be changed, so we'll just type a const. All set. इसका क्या है? Let it be. So yeah, we have basically created the function that will be called. Ab the next step is we have to create the build, not build actually, override may build. Yep. Now we will implement. So what we will do is we will return a scaffold जहाँ पे app bar will be app bar, then title will be there. Title will be basically registration page, and this should be a text. So yeah, text, and also it's going to be constant, so I think we should pass this constant thing, and all set. इसके लिए now we have to do called body, और body में we can do center ताकि elements will be in center, then child, and child में it will be a column which is actually right, they have predicted. Then इसमें children आएगा, and here we will have something called text, yeah, text fields. Perfect. Gesture detector में child, gesture detector all set. अब मेरे को लॉगिन राउट बनाना है, सो इट दैट इज बेसिकली लॉगिन स्क्रीन डॉट डार्ट. ठीक है, लॉगिन स्क्रीन डॉट डार्ट में क्या है, जस्ट राइट क्लास login screen that will extend the state full widget. Then yeah, simple. Then some auto generated code, email. अब हम यूज़र नेम को से लॉगिन किए हैं तो यूज़र नेम कंट्रोलर, सो वैसे नहीं, इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ टेक्स्ट एडिटिंग कंट्रोलर. Text editing controller, this is going to be a text editing controller. Text editing controller. Now final text password controller. ठीक है. Now we will add void login का logic we have to write. इसमें final, हाँ, which is final. यहाँ पे string लिखना है. ठीक है. नाउ अभी क्या करेंगे, हम रेस्पॉन्स को जनरेट करेंगे. तो फाइनल रेस्पॉन्स है API सर्विस डॉट यूज़र लॉगिन में आईडी पासवर्ड भेज दो. एंड नाउ इफ अच्छा, हियर इज एन इशू. It won't work because it's have to be async, and now it will work. Now remember, we are also fetching the body. The last stream में मैंने दिखाया था, I'm passing the I'm passing the role करके. तो simple, what we will do is var data that will be await response dot body and yeah, I have to do a JSON decode to it. JSON decode now sorted. Now var role is going to be data slash role. If role equals to admin, then what we'll do is we'll just lead to somewhere else. So we'll just tell that navigator dot push named, and after that context भेजना है, and it will lead me to admin dashboard. Admin dashboard, and otherwise it's going to be a teacher. So like else if, or else will work actually, else navigator teacher dashboard. Perfect. Looks good. Else scaffold messenger off, and all set. We are done on this logic. So login logic is done. Now we will do is we'll call override build में, and then we will create the basically page. तो scaffold को कॉल किया, and app bar में app bar गया, and we will say title is what, title is text, then login screen. ठीक है. Then there is body, and in body में we have to, I'll pass a center I will pass a center in the body, then child will be a column ताकि it just creates like, if this is a page, center में a column will be there. Same logic, simple logic. Then children. Now column में there will be vertical elements. I'll be adding those, which is text field. See, this is where AI helps. To be honest, this is where AI helps. Well, flat button. What's this fucking thing? I don't know. Let's make it an elevated button, and we are set. And yeah, this one was missing. Let's make it a constant. Let's make these constant. Yeah, constant. Sorted. Yay. And sign up to not this. We'll go to register page because I name it as register. So yeah, next step, admin dashboard, teacher dashboard. Admin dashboard, let's create admin dashboard dot ठीक है, class admin dashboard. यहाँ पे we are not handling any kind of input and all, so stateless will also work. Stateless widget will work. ठीक है. So now I will write the stateless widget, override, build में जाओ. Now I will be writing return a scaffold अब आएगा बॉडी में आई ऑलवेज प्रेफर अ सेंटर में चाइल्ड में कॉलम में चिल्ड्रन में देयर विल बी फर्स्ट, तो ठीक है, टेक्स्ट, दिस इज admin dashboard. ठीक है. Then there will be two buttons that will, one will lead to profile, so elevated button, child, profile, hi bye. Then on pressed, an arrow function will work. Navigator dot push named. Here we have to pass context and the URL, which will lead me to nothing but profile page. Then elevated button में on pressed, I'll create another arrow function that will take me to navigator dot push named context add teacher, that will be a form, text add new teacher, elevated button on press में, this will also be an arrow function, navigator push named context lead to table, the key है text teacher table. ठीक है, 3 buttons I expected and there are exact 3 buttons. So looks good. Semicolon, and we are set. We are set with the admin dashboard as well. Now we'll have teacher dashboard. Teacher dashboard will be pretty simple. What we will do, we will create class teacher dashboard that will be extending stateless widget. वहाँ पे override लिखना है पहले, override build context पे, ठीक है. Then we will return. Here the code becomes like, you know, repetitive very much, and that's the part I hate about writing repetitive code. Title में it will be go on as a text teacher dashboard, and फिर body में center देख see, I'll change it later on. Let's copy from center to center. Chalo. Now either it won't be there, profile will be there, and table will be there. I'll just change this name to teacher spelling, and all set. We have done our dashboards. 2 more pages left. Profile, right? Profile.dart. There I'll create the class called profile that will extend state full widget. ठीक है. Okay, now class. Now void, as mentioning, इधर पे we need our token service. Oh, there's a huge part I missed over here. इधर पे ना we have to do this final token. We have created our token service, right? But we haven't used it yet, so we have to use it. Not new token service. Cool. जैसे ही I got this thing, data dot role var token will be data dot data के अंदर का token. ठीक है. Now underscore token service dot why is this, why this colaveri d. Yeah, I have a huge doubt though. ठीक है, it will should work. Token service. जो मिरर फेस कर रहे हैं ना, आई बिलीव गेट प्रोफाइल इस पे बनाते हैं इसको, मेक इट एसिंक, देन इस पे static method. Now it will work. Sorry. I actually forgot a little bit stuff, that's why it's happening. Otherwise this is quite smooth journey. So now if I have the token, then what I will do is, sorry for this fake accent, response await API service dot get user data inside that token. Chalo, we have done the null check. So password actually we can't. Yeah, else So now all I have is this. यहाँ पे I have to write override build and upper body center. Now over here yeah, all set. Elevated data, let's fix it. After that I need to close it. Center scaffold, now it's set. Take care, we have updated this. Now we need to change this like a elevated button जिसमें we will be having an arrow function, not arrow function actually, this is get profile. So also we need to write this override bool override void init state. I have passed it. Now update profile. Now on pressed I am writing this for now, but I'll start doing this from like by morning. We will be starting this. For now pass, can't we write pass? Well, they have written it properly, so all I need to do is final map string dynamic data and token null check. String dynamic. So yeah, all set, looks good. Update, you should hit on update. You are good to go, man. All set, boys. Now we have done this part. So two pages are left. I may do it later tonight or maybe tomorrow on the stream. But yeah, I was just doing this stream because I had nothing to do, just chilling. So yeah, utilizing my time a bit.